Running a restaurant means constantly making decisions with incomplete information. What if you had a platform that not only gathered all your data in one place but actually helped you understand what it means and what to do about it? This isn't just another dashboard or reporting tool. This is an intelligence platform that analyzes your restaurant's data from every system you already use, provides actionable recommendations, and handles customer interactions with sophisticated AI. Think of it as your restaurant's brain, gathering information, finding patterns, suggesting improvements, and even handling customer calls for you. Let me show you how it transforms your daily operations. Dashboard. So this is where you'd start your day. Your dashboard. Think of it as mission control for your restaurant. Everything that matters is right here. Sales tracking, cost management, profitability metrics. See these color-coded indicators? Green means you're on track, yellow needs attention, red requires action. No more digging through reports or wondering how you're doing. The charts down here show you trends at a glance. Is this week better than last week? Are costs creeping up? It's all here, updated every single minute. AI Assistant. Now, here's where things get interesting. Meet your AI assistant. It's like having a business analyst on call 24/7. You can literally ask it anything. How was sales last Tuesday? Which menu items have the highest profit margins? Should I add another server for Saturday night? It doesn't just pull numbers. It actually understands your business and gives you real recommendations based on your data. Voice Assistant. You know those times when the phone's ringing off the hook during dinner rush? This AI answers every call, sounds completely natural, and handles everything from reservations to dietary restrictions. Look at this log. Every conversation is recorded and transcribed. The AI confirmed a party of 8 for Saturday, handled a gluten-free inquiry, and rescheduled a booking, all without bothering your staff. Your customers get immediate service, and your team stays focused on the guests in front of them. Monthly profit and loss. Financial visibility shouldn't require an accounting degree. Our P&L module breaks down your performance in plain English. Revenue at the top, costs broken out clearly, and your profit right there at the bottom. Want to compare this month to last month? One click. Need to see how you're doing versus the same month last year? It's right here, and when your accountant needs the details, you can export everything with proper categorization. Expense tracker. Tracking expenses is usually a nightmare, right? Not anymore. Every expense gets logged here. Your rent, supply orders, repairs, everything. The system knows which ones repeat monthly and which are one-time purchases. See something unusual, you'll spot it immediately. And at tax time, everything's already categorized and ready to export. No more shoebox full of receipts. Profit calculator. This tool is fascinating. It shows you exactly how your restaurant makes money. Based on your actual historical data, it calculates your break-even point and shows how profit scales with sales. Planning to run a promotion? You can see exactly how much extra volume you need to maintain profitability. Thinking about extending hours? The calculator shows whether the additional sales justify the extra costs. It takes the guesswork out of big decisions. Labor cost. Managing labor is probably your biggest challenge after food costs, right? This module shows your entire week at a glance. Every shift, every person, what it costs, and whether they actually showed up. The system learns your patterns. It knows you need more staff on Friday nights and can alert you if you're scheduling too heavy on a slow Tuesday. No more spreadsheets, no more guessing if you're overstaffed. Tasks. Running a restaurant means 1,000 little things need to happen every day. Through our integrations with task management systems, we pull in all your operational tasks. The intelligence layer shows you task completion patterns across your organization. See what's getting done, what's falling behind, and identify bottlenecks. While your team uses their familiar task tools, you get the bird's eye view here. Accountability and visibility without changing how your team works. Settings. Location. Multi-location intelligence compares and contrasts performance, identifying successful practices that should be shared. The AI might notice that your uptown location's new table layout increased turnover by 15% and recommend similar changes downtown. Goals. Goals is where you set your strategic targets for each location. Define what success looks like: sales targets, food cost percentages, labor efficiency, average check size. Set different goals for different locations based on the unique markets and challenges. The system tracks your actual performance against these targets in real time, showing you exactly where you stand. Green when you're on track, yellow when you're close, red when you need to take action. It's your scoreboard for success, clear visibility into whether you're hitting the marks you've set for yourself. Integration ecosystem. Here's the foundation that makes everything possible: seamless integration with all your existing systems. Your POS, accounting software, reservation system, scheduling tool, they all feed data into the platform continuously. But we don't just collect data, we synthesize it. When your POS shows a sale, your labor system shows who was working, and your reservation system shows how busy you were. Our AI connects these dots to provide insights like, your new server Sarah increases average check size by 12% during lunch shifts. Every integration adds another layer of intelligence, making the recommendations more accurate and more valuable. What we've built isn't just software, it's intelligence infrastructure for your restaurant. Every day, it's analyzing thousands of data points, identifying patterns, and providing recommendations that would take a team of analysts to produce. Your voice AI handles customer calls professionally around the clock. Your AI assistant answers complex business questions instantly. And every system you already use becomes smarter by working together. This is how modern restaurants compete. Not by working harder, but by working smarter. With AI handling analysis and customer interactions, you're free to focus on what only you can do: creating great experiences and growing your business.